Now let's do the remaining question of exercise 2.5, which is factorization. So now let us do exercise 2.5, the third question, factorize using appropriate identity. Okay, in the first one is 9x squared plus 6xy plus y squared. Now this can be written as 3x the whole square plus, here we can write here y the whole square, plus 2 into 3x into y. Now which identity should we use? We will use the first one, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b the whole square. This can be further written as 3x plus y into 3x plus y. Now the second one, that is 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Now this can be written as 2y the whole square, here it will be plus 1 the whole square, 2 into 2y into 1. Which identity will use? The second one, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. This will give us a minus b the whole square. This can be further written as 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. Now the third one in it, it is given x square minus y square by 100. This can be written as x the whole square minus y by 10 the whole square. Which identity will use? The third one, that is a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Using the given identity, let us do in exercise 2.5 the fifth question, that is factorize. And this, the first question is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Okay, this can be written as 2x the whole square plus 3y the whole square plus 4z the whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 2 into 3y into 4z plus 2 into 4z into 2x. Now is this both equal? No, it is not equal. Why? Because there is a minus sign here and here we don't have a minus sign. So we'll find out where to put the minus sign. Now we have got a minus in this term and also in this term. Now what is common in both this term? 4z is common. So we put a minus here. We put a minus here. That is, we have got minus 4z and here also minus 4z, which will give us in this, it will give us minus 24yz and here it will give us minus 16xz. But here also we have got a 4z, so we put a minus 4z. Minus 4z the whole square will give you 16z square. Now is both equal? Yes, they are equal. Now according to the identity, what you will get here? A plus B plus C. What is C? Minus 4z. Minus 4z the whole square. This can be further written as 2x plus 3y minus 4z into 2x plus 3y minus 4z. Now here the second question is 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. Okay, now how will we do this? 2x square can be written as root 2x the whole square. So here you will get root 2x the whole square. This will be y the whole square. Now 8z square can be written as root 8 into z the whole square. How will you simplify root 8? We'll write this as root 4 into 2. Square root of 4 is 2 root 2. So here we can write 2 root 2 z the whole square plus 2 into root 2x into y plus 2 into y into 2 root 2z plus 2 into 2 root 2z into root 2x. Now is this both equal? No, it is not equal. As we can see, there is negative sign here, but here there is no negative sign. So let us see which of the terms should have negative sign. Here this term should have a negative sign and this term should also have negative sign. What is common in both? Common in both is root 2x. So we put a minus sign here, we put a minus sign here. This will give us minus 2 root 2xy and this will give us minus 8zx. Now since we have put a minus here, we will go and put a minus here. Now is both equal? Yes, both are equal. According to the identity, what you get here? Minus root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z the whole square. This can be further written as questions based on it. That is exercise 2.5. 8th question, factorize. And this will be doing the first one, that is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay, now in what way we can write this? 8a cube can be written as 2a the whole cube. This will come here b the whole cube plus 3 2a the whole square into b. 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 will give us 12a square b plus 3 into 2a into b square. This will give us 6ab. Now this is the first identity here. So what will be the answer for this? It will be 2a plus b the whole cube. This can be written as 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. Now in this, the fifth question, 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. Now this can be written as 3p the whole cube. 216 is the cube of 6, so this can be written as 1 by 6 the whole cube minus 3 into 3p the whole square into 1 by 6. When you calculate this, you will get 9 by 2p square plus 3 into 3p into 1 by 6 the whole square. When we calculate this part, we will get 1 by 4p. Okay, which identity should I use? The second one here, because there is minus sign here. This will give us a minus b the whole cube. This can be written as 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. Using these two identities, let us do exercise 2.5, the 10th question, that is factorize. In this, the first one, 27y cube plus 125z cube. Now how can this be written as? This can be written as 3y the whole cube plus 5z the whole cube. Which identity I will use? I will use the first one. So here we will get 3y plus 5z into, we have here 3x the whole square minus, it's not 3x, it is 3y, minus 3y into 5z plus 5z the whole square. This will give us 3y plus 5z. Here we will get 9y square minus 15yz plus 25z square. Let's do the second question. That is 64n cube minus 343n cube. Now how this can be written as? This can be written as 4m the whole cube. So 7n the whole cube. Which one will use? We will use the second one. So we will get here 4m minus 7n into 4m the whole square plus 4m into 7n plus 7n the whole square. Here we get 4m minus 7n. This will be 16m square plus 28mn plus 49n square. Let's do exercise 2.5, the 15th question. Give possible expression for the length and breadth of the following rectangle in which their area is given as. There is two questions, we will be doing the first one. Here area is given as 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Now we have to factorize this. We will factorize by splitting the middle term. What we get here? 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12 what's common in the first two terms? 5a is common. You get here 5a minus 4. Here minus 3 will take common. We will get here 5a minus 4. Here you will get 5a minus 4 and 5a minus 3. Out of this, one expression you can take for the length and one expression for the breadth. Here we take length as 5a minus 3 and breadth as 5a minus 4. You can interchange it. Now the 16th question is, what are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboid whose volumes are given by? In this, the first one, the volume is given as 3x square minus 12x. Okay, we have to factorize this. First we'll remove common. Common is here 3x, we get here x minus 4. So the possible expression for the dimension are the length could be 3, breadth could be x, and the height could be x minus 4. Second, the volume is given as 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Now first we will factorize this. Here we can see 4k is common. You will get here 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Now this expression 3y square plus 2y minus 5 we will factorize by splitting the middle term. What will get here? 3y square minus 3y plus 5y minus 5. That is equal to 4k. What's common here? 3y is common. We get here y minus 1. Here common is 5. We get here y minus 1. So will come 4k into y minus 1, 3y plus 5. So one of the possible expression for the dimensions may be we could take 4k as the length, y minus 1 as the breadth, and 3y plus 5 as the height.